Hello, everyone. Welcome to Enhance Welding Efficiency with KUKA Accelerate webinar. Today's webinar agenda includes cell features, setup, components, interface, design, and safety. Options, customizable configurations to meet specific manufacturing needs. Installation and commissioning, seamless integration into existing processes with expert support for setup and training. Thank you for joining us today to hear Evandro Maya, Key Technology Manager from KUKA Robotics. If you have questions for the presenter, please type them in the chat box during the session and we will address as many of them as possible after the presentation. Now let's hear from Evandro.
Hi, thanks, Jules, for the presentation for the beginning. Yes, today we're gonna talk about this new product. Actually, it's a turnkey solution developed in manufacturing by KUKA Robotics. Yeah, let's start. Okay, the main idea today is to present and show for everybody what is the main features. Have a look on all the cell, the options, the cell options overview. Who is the target customer? Explain where you can get information, specifications, and all the details, drawings, dimensions, what are the options, how can you set up your cell. Offline programming, we already have a built solution at KUKA. How to install, about the support, next steps, where you can see this cell alive, and in the end I'm gonna be open for a few questions. Okay, the cell, the Accelerate the main features are it's for industrial applications, for MIG arc welding. We already have a wide range of technology applications. Like I said before, simulation and offline programming available. It is easy to transport and relocation because it's a built cell and a base frame. Everything is attached to this base. It's capable for it has forklift pockets where it's easy to move around, and for new plants or relocation inside the same plant. The cell is prepared for remote service. As soon as the machine, if you connect your machine on the internet, we can do remote service. The HMI, it's on a teach pendant, so it's one less device, less cost. The HMI, it's like you can see in the picture on the side, we have pre-developed some screens. It's simple installation for fast commissioning. As soon as the cell is on floor, basically you need power, gas, wire, and then you can start programming. Everything is already commissioning, the power source, all the devices inside are all commissioning already. The cell design and build for small footprints, and one of the big advantages, we have full steel walls, means it's not meshed walls where you have to install later welding curtains or any other kind of protections for the radiation for the dark welding. Okay, what do we have inside the Accelerate, right? What are the main components? The first one is the robot. Our robot is 2-meter reach, hollow wrist, hollow wrist means the cable passed through the arm. Our new controller, it's a dual cab KRC5. The smart pad came with the HMI design for each options, the cell option. We have a simple operator control station with push buttons to start, to hold axis, e-stop. Both options, design options, are for MIG arc welding power source, where you can use for gas, flux core, metal welding process, right? It's already included the torch clean station. It's not an option. It's there. It's included. Also program. All those, we have the all the functions for safety, home, check TCP, and the torch clean station is already commissioned. The system arrives for you with all those positions ready. It's basically teach or load offline programs for your part. Like I said before, it is a welded steel base with forklift pockets and checkers plate floor where you can anchor down yourself for better stability. We have the stack light, the three color operation lights, where you're gonna be able to understand all the if the cell is running, if it's stop, or if it's or on a hold. The system, the both cells, the accelerate, we be, we believe it's for most of everything related with, of course, with arc welding, but the main customers are the manufacturing engineers in usually small to mid-sized fabrication shops, where the main focus is economical for high mix, low volume applications. As you already have all pre-engineering, it's basically teach position. You can mix positioners, you can mix product inside your cell. But again, of course, OEMs, contract manufacturers can use the cell as pre-engineering. Again, it's reducing downtime, right? Because you don't have to remove the robot from the floor, the razors, where you can see more information, right? Where you can start to see it's already released on our website. KUKA website already have um, the page specific for this. I'm gonna open here. Um, it's basically on our main website, KUKA.com. You go products, solutions, production machines, KUKA Accelerate. Over here on the web page, you're gonna be able to read, understand more each specific point with more details, what is all the benefits, and you can also download the brochures with more details. Here it's the basic details for total size, the robot we are using, controller, voltage, um, but you can see on each brochure when you download, you can see both options we have, all the specifications. We also have see for pricing here. You can have a QR code you can read for both. Okay, you have all the details. Later on, we're gonna send for you guys the link for where you can see if you have any questions or concerns. Again, here's the brochures just show you um, for both. Those are basically the both designs we have. The index, it's for turntable. The robot's welding one side. The operator can load and unload, and then he has to step out for the light screen, and then the turntable moves for the other direction, station A, station B, and then the process repeat. Or we have the side-by-side option where the robot is in working one side, the operator can load and unload on the other side, open. It's a mechanical open door with safety gates, but it's just the robot. You don't have external access. And it's again, it's a really small footprint. What is the available options for now? For now, we don't the power source options and all the dress kit out and everything. It's for Fronius TPS 400i power source and Lincoln PowerWave R450. We also have an option to deliver with the full instructions hood. Over here, you can see you already have the both models for KUKA Sim for the simulation. So as soon as if you have the CAD file for your tooling, how you're gonna weld, you can download and start programming offline. It's gonna reduce you for you programming time on the floor. I can show you here simple movements for the cell. You can see the whole layout, all the dimensions are here. Again, it's ready to download here your tooling, and then you can start to program and create your offline programming. And then it's available. Of course, we deliver those files with the robot. As soon as you have the subscription for the KUKA sim, you can download the cell, the accelerate models. Okay, now what about the install, commissioning, support? We have the option. We have our website KUKA Expert. All the customers that subscribe on KUKA Expert can download and check all the manuals and documentation. And also we have on all cells the QR code in the front of the cell where you can use your phone to get the basic installations and instructions on your phone, tablet. We also have a special channel for the sales and support. Later on, we're also gonna drop those emails on the chat. Any questions or regarding to the cell, you guys can send emails for the accelerate.sales@kuka.com. So our sales team is gonna contact you. For after sales support, it's gonna work exactly how it works for the robots. It's gonna be the same hotline. Of course, internally, it's gonna have a channel for specific for Accelerate, but our system it's 24/7 hotline support. What is the next steps? We're gonna host at KUKA Canada the Metal Joint Tech Day, where the cell is available. We're gonna have more marketing material. This marketing material we're gonna start to see more often on social media and our website, of course. But basically, we are preparing nice videos and documentation. Like at this video for now, you can see how you request to enter. It's a video explanation how the cell it works. It's gonna talk about all the lights, buttons, how to open the door, how to get access. Um, Videos like this, or basically information about the cell. But this is not online yet, but it's you guys gonna start to see this more often. Again, backing and then in September we are going to have a live welding demo at FabTech in Chicago. Who is interested to be there? We're gonna see the cell. We're gonna have the version for the index cell welding live welding. We'll drop this invitation also on the chat, but here for who is interested to see the cell, how operate and have the whole team in Canada that's gonna be hosting the Metal Joint and Automation Tech Day. It's gonna be on June 11. So if you are interested, please. Of course, here you cannot click, but as soon as you get the invitation, you guys can RSVP to join our team in Canada to show the cell and see how the cell works and have all your questions. Okay, it's basically, I don't want to go too much in details. This webinar mostly is to explain this new product. Again, this product is going to be start to show more often now at a website and also in a social media. So please, if you have any questions, I guess we still have time
Perfect.
for a couple of questions.
Yes, awesome. That concludes the presentation portion. Thank you, Evandro, for sharing your presentation with us. Now it's time to address the questions that we received during the presentation. And just a reminder, if you have not asked anything just yet, feel free to send those in using the questions tab. We did have a few come in here, so I'll go ahead and start us off.
Okay.
Can I have a customized HMI on the SmartPad?
Yes, as the HMI, the Easy HMI, it's, our software is a KUKA software. We, of course, we designed this HMI to meet every needs for each cell, but it's open source using our software that is free work visual. You can add it and change the HMI as your needs.
Awesome, thank you. Another question we received, do we have any restrictions to adding new welding features like arc sense or touch sense?
No, yeah, it's no restrictions at all. Every technology package that we have, you can install later on as your need, as your application needs different software. It's open to install anytime.
Thank you. One more question here. Can you explain the process of integrating the Arccelerate welding cell into existing workflows and production lines?
Yeah, as again, as the is a base plate all tied together. It's basically put power, gas, and wire and start programming. Power on and start programming. Most of the safeties, home position, check, TCP, reamer. It's all program already. It's basically start programming your welding part.
Perfect, thank you. I think this goes hand in hand with this question here. Does the cell include tracc.tcp or is it an option?
The track TCP can be an option. It's an option. It's not included yet. We have. It's a check TCP that it's a software that is already included in any welding KUKA robot. It's basically you teach one position. When you TCP, it's okay close to the reamer. You have a position on the reamer where you teach that position, and every time you can check, and if it's off, you can reteach this position, and all the programs you'll be changed by the TCP you change. However, track TCP is an option. You can install anytime as well.
Thank you. Another question, what are the key features of the KUKA turnkey welding cell that make it suitable for small to mid-size fabrication shops?
As the cell is already engineering, built, and most of the programs, I mean, the service programs are all there already programmed for you. It's perfect for high volume and low volume, high mix products. When you can change your tooling, you can change position for the welding, you can change your product easily. It's just remove from one table and add to another one.
Thank you. And then it looks like one more question here. So just a reminder, if you guys want to throw in anything else real quick, you can still do so using the questions tab. Are there any interfaces or built-in features to support robotic machine tending for the cell?
No, actually, right now those are specific for MIG arc welding. Maybe in the future we can use the same structure, the same design for other applications, but for now it's basic for MIG arc welding.
All right, perfect. Thank you, Evandro. That is all the questions we have. So thank you again for the presentation, and thank you everyone in the audience for joining this session.
Industrial intelligence.